Hey, curious dude here with yet I don't know, this might be part 7 of trying to get this thing running. Regulator was faulty. We put a new regulator in it and fixed a host of other issues. And this is a test fire. Let's see if Project Stalker runs.
Smell fuel?
So we smell fuel, so there's fuel, but the weirdest thing that's happening is that the injectors are batch firing. So pulled them out, checked them, and they're literally just batch firing. So it is very, very confusing to understand exactly what the problem is, but we'll dig in a little bit deeper and keep you updated. Redid all the grounds. Nothing changed. Nothing changed. Noid light still dull as can be. Using Gemini, thank you Google, we entered some more of the symptoms, and it suggested that we unplug the map sensor because it puts the computer into fail mode and with a nice thick fat injector pulse. So let's see if we notice any difference. That's a lot of difference. In fact, it may turn out that because the map sensor had gone bad, that the signal basically was telling the computer that the air is so thin that there's no need for it to actually inject any kind of fuel. So let's see if it runs now. Let's see. We've done all the checks. I think there's some pulse there. Let's see if it'll run. Map sensors replaced. Let's see if it'll run on its own. All right, let's see if we can break this thing in. It's a little chilly out. It's about -9 degrees Celsius, but that won't stop us from trying to get the engine nice and hot. So no thermostat, running a coolant through it. It's just taking a long time to heat up. So the head's at about 120 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Head temperature, 140. The coolant, really cooling off. We got heat in there. Not nice now, we're about 140. We are evening out. Yeah, good. Nothing scary, heating up slowly. Very nice. Got a small coolant leak, nothing scary. Lots of oil pressure, 50 psi, that'll do, that's safe. Smoothing out nice now that everything's pumped up. 140, 120. Oh yeah, radiator's working real well.
Good, good. Okay, let's give it a couple of whacks. Can you move that thing? Move I'll back it out of the driveway. I'll move it out. Yeah, can you? I'm gonna take it for a drive, just a small drive, just on the street. So I just want to get Dad to move the chalk. Dad's moving the.
There we go. Runs and drives.
One more step closer. So.
Yeah, amazing. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dad. Thank you very much, Dad. Thank you, Kelly, for being along this whole journey. Matt, thanks for coming for the fun part at the end. It's awesome. Finally done. Runs and drives, didn't puke anything too bad. Puking a little bit of oil here, a little bit of fluid, but I know that's from the cooler line.
Good.
Project Stalker starts, runs, and drives.